At VEXOS Vietnam, everything starts and ends with our customers. Our world-class facility is ISO certified and fully equipped with the latest SMT production and test technologies, operated by a fully trained workforce to meet the needs of our customers.
VEXOS is driven by the need to continuously provide effective supply chain strategies, incorporating our global manufacturing capabilities, our advanced engineering services and commodity solutions, meeting the needs of our customers. Our newly opened VEXOS Vietnam facility continues in the tradition of VEXOS, which is to offer the same level of award-winning operational excellence in a different geographical footprint.
VEXOS Vietnam offers a full range of electronic manufacturing services, from commodity solutions, printed circuit board assemblies, full systems integration, through to provision of direct order fulfillment and aftermarket support services. These services are backed up by our world-class engineering, quality, and supply chain management value-add solutions. VEXOS's customer base is a diverse global group of innovative companies that are looking to make an impact in their market segments in the industrial, commercial, security, defense, medical, and IoT spaces.
Our processes are lean and robust in order to optimize our cost, provide great quality, and deliver product on time.
We are focused on building partnerships and providing solutions that continuously evolve and address rapid changes in the markets we serve and the technologies we provide.